welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you all back here today, and we are live here on the street of Freetown tonight. We'll be going out to explore the nightlife here in Freetown, and I want you guys to come with me to see how interesting and how vibrant nightlife here in Freetown is. Let's go! So we have all this beautiful spot on the road. I see people outside. Aside from clubs and restaurants, they have hotels too on this road. Driving through Freetown at night. I feel at least even if it's like solar street lights they can do to make their streets bright at night, but they don't have any. Lovely. It's like really busy.
Way back to this my defender.
Elle est bonne,
Now 15-20.
Shells, rice, beans, and like that. The place here in Lumley Market, very busy and crowded. And the time is almost 11 p.m. This one looks like this thing. This rice here, this rice is 15 lira. And I got eggs. Oh, this is 6 lira. So I got 3. And also water. This is water, 1 for 1 lira. Oh guys, right now we're about to bust out of the main road there. There's this main road that leads to Lumley over there. So we are just coming from all the way from our street there. This is what we have right here. This is like I don't know if I should call it complex or this thing, but they have a lot of businesses that have their office spaces over there. They have gym, they have this Suzuki motor, this thing, they have scratchers, they have a lot. And on this side of the road they have, I think they have restaurants, some restaurants on that side of the road. And they also have a I think, is that not table tennis? They have a table tennis court there. They have bars, they have clubs, they have restaurants in this building right here. They have gym, they have a lot of things there, as you guys can see. And this is how it come alive at night. Actually, there's no life in this neighborhood. So, just in case you don't know, here in Sierra Leone, they don't have 24/7 light. Their light here is very similar to that of Nigeria. It's just some very few houses that you can see lights like this. But I think this is generator. No, I think this one is solar light, but inside the house, I think they are using generator. So just so you know, if you're considering of living here in Sierra Leone, you better add generators to your budget of houses and this thing, because it's really bad. I don't know if it's just this part that we are staying, or that is how the whole of Sierra Leone is. To even think that this is Freetown, the capital city, like, I was just asking myself that how the villages, like all those local places, how are they coping if Freetown is like this? Right now, I'm just trying to walk to this other side to see if I can get a much better view from this side of the mountain here. I can see some people there playing music. Hey God, it will not be funny if someone fall down from here. Okay, let me try my luck. Oh, this is so beautiful. Jesus, see that dog. So guys, this is it. I have a much better view from here. Honestly, this video is not even doing justice to how beautiful this view looks. Like, looking at it from it, so beautiful. Like, the lights just shine. Oh my goodness, I wish you are here to see it in person, not on camera. See down there where that bike is passing, that's down the hill. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Ha ha ha.